Hey crypto guys, there's a major shift towards Solana and you can see that in the price of Solana. If you look at the run up in the last 90 days, it went absolutely parabolic, right? So is it too late to buy into Solana? Well, Solana is definitely a great coin to have. It's much cheaper, it's faster than Ethereum. And now also a lot of NFT projects are launching on Solana instead of Ethereum. However, there are maybe bigger opportunities right now because all that money on Solana is traveling into the projects built on Solana or the new tokens that are releasing on Solana. So how do you get hold of these tokens, right? I'll show you in this video how you can get hold of any of these Solana tokens, even though they're not listed on your regular exchanges. And even though you might not be able to buy them with MetaMask, I'll show you how. And if you like content like this, you don't want to miss out on any new opportunities on Solana, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified when I drop these hidden gems on Solana. So let's go into this, right? So we're here on CoinGecko, one of my favorite sites to check coins. And if you really want to see which coins are launching on Solana, you go to categories. Then I'll just pick the Solana ecosystem. And you can filter here based on, how was the performance in the last hour, how was the performance last 24 hours, 7 days. You can filter on volume, on market cap. So if you are someone that wants to invest in low market caps, you can select on low market cap and find one of your coins here. But the thing is that once you found a coin you want to buy, let's say SolPod in this example, right? And you scroll down, you see that the markets, it's not your regular exchanges. This coin has markets on Raydium, and Raydium is an equivalent of Uniswap, but then on the Solana network, right? So how can you buy these tokens? Can you buy them with MetaMask? No, you need a different wallet for it, one that is suitable for Solana network. And I recommend a wallet which is called Phantom, which is very similar in usability like MetaMask, right? You add it to your Chrome, you get an icon here, you then log in, and it might look something like this. So what you need to do, you need to deposit Sol, the token, the Solana token that you will use for transactions on the network. You can do that via your exchange or wallet. Just deposit here. Make sure you are on transferring on the Solana network when you move it from an exchange. Or you can use FTX Pay if that's something that you have. Because the Solana ecosystem is very much linked to the FTX exchange site. Once you have Sol deposited into your wallet, you're really ready to go. We have our Phantom wallet set up, we have Sol in there. So if we want to buy this, for instance, with Sol, we might click on here, go to Raydium. We like to swap. It brings us to a very similar interface of many of the swap websites you might know from Ethereum, right? So we select Sol. We've got 4 Sol here, and we select the SolPod, right? And if you can't find it here, you can just go to SolPod, copy the address, right? Copy the address, go back to the swap page, and paste the address in here, and you will find the token. Then you have to confirm, and let's say I want to buy 1 Sol worth of this token. You just swap. It pops up your Phantom wallet to ask you to approve this transaction. You approve it, and then within a few seconds you will be having this token in your wallet. So as you can see, the transaction is done. So if you then go to your Phantom wallet, you can see it already appearing here, very nice and smooth. So that's how you swap these tokens and buy them even if they're not listed on the exchange. There might be some of these other swap sites that you can use. One of them is, for instance, Serum. So I'm showing you the Mango token here, and I noticed that there's no Raydium here to swap, but there is something called Serum Dex, which is a very nice site as well to swap tokens on Solana. So click on swap, and that brings me to this type of interface, right? So yeah, so here, for instance, if I want to swap some Sol for the Mango token, I can search either Mango here, but if it's not appearing, we do the same. What we can do is we can scroll down and we can see that Mango is in here. And same principle. Let's say I just want to swap 1.1. I just click on swap. It starts confirming the transaction. Takes a few seconds. Approval window pops up again. I approve. And it's finalizing the transaction. And I will have bought the Mango token. It's finalized, so it has bought the Mango token. And then when you look into your wallet, your Phantom wallet, and that's why I like it so much, it now shows the Mango token as well, and the other tokens. So that's really nice about Phantom wallet. Another nice thing about the Phantom wallet is that you can see your NFTs here. So if you buy NFTs on Solana with your Phantom wallet, you will see them here pictured, which is really nice. When we come back to this page, to recap, we go to CoinGecko, right? We click on categories. You can, if you're logged into CoinGecko, you can create a category with the custom tabs here. So you can create a Solana ecosystem tab if you like. So you go to Solana ecosystem, and here you can filter and check coins, right? And if there's a coin you want to buy and it's not listed on your usual exchange, use the Phantom wallet, swap it on one of the DEXs, done. And if you're into NFTs, you can just go to a website called howrare.is, and it shows you the upcoming Solana drops, right? And for most of these drops, you can just use your Phantom wallet and you can just mint, do the transaction, cash your NFTs in your wallet. So I hope this helped, and make sure to subscribe to keep updated on the newest opportunities on the Solana network. See you in the next one.